Hi there.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Where's the milk?
It's in aisle 4.
And where can I find the eggs?
They're next to the milk.
Do you sell bread?
Yes, it's in aisle 2 on the middle shelf.
Where's the sugar?
In aisle 5 on the top shelf.
Do you have bottled water?
Yes, we have small and big bottles.
How much is one bottle?
$1.50 for small, $2.50 for large.
Okay, I'll take a large one. Where are the apples?
They're in the fruit section near the bananas and the cheese.
Aisle 6, next to the yogurt and butter.
Do you have rice?
Yes, several types. Aisle 3.
Great, I think I have everything.
Okay, please come to the checkout counter. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, 1 bag, please.
Do you have a membership card?
No, not yet.
Would you like to sign up for one?
Maybe next time.
Would you pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
All right, please tap your card here.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hi there.
Hey, beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's really sunny and peaceful.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here almost every evening. What about you?
This is actually my first time here.
Oh, welcome. It's a lovely place to relax.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I live nearby. And you?
No, I just moved here last month.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, it's nice. Quiet and clean.
That's true.
How old are you?
I'm 25. You?
Same here. I'm 25 too.
Do you work close by?
Yes, I work at a bank. How about you? I work in a clothing store.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's fine. I enjoy fashion.
That's cool.
What do you do after work?
I usually go for a walk or watch movies. Do you like sports?
Yes, I play tennis. What about you?
I like walking and doing yoga.
That's healthy.
Do you come here alone?
Sometimes, but often with friends.
Would you like to walk together?
Sure, let's go.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's one of my favorite places. What time do you usually come here?
Around 5 p.m. most days.
It was nice talking with you.
Same here. I had a good time.
I should get going now.
Okay, maybe we can meet again.
Sure, same time tomorrow.
Sounds great. See you then.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Take care.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Just one person.
Yes, please have a seat over here.
Okay, thank you.
Here's the menu. Please take your time.
Thanks a lot.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken burger, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, some water, please.
Would you like fries as well?
Yes, a small fries, please.
Would you like them spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy, please.
All right. 1 chicken burger, small fries, and water.
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your food will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Here's your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like some dessert?
What do you have?
We have ice cream, cake, and fruit.
I'll have some ice cream, please.
Sure. 1 moment. Here you go.
Thank you. It's really good.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
The total is $12.
Here's 15. Keep the change, please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello, welcome to Star Cinema.
Hi, I'd like to buy 2 tickets, please.
Sure, which movie would you like to watch?
The new one, The Adventure City.
Okay, what time would you like?
What times do you have today?
We have shows at 3 p.m., 5:30 p.m., and 8 p.m. Let's see. I'll take the 5:30 show.
Great. Would you like regular seats or VIP seats?
Regular, please.
All right. 2 regular tickets for the 5:30 show. That's $20.
Here's $20.
Thank you. Here are your tickets.
Which hall is it?
Hall number 5 on the second floor.
Perfect. Are there any snacks inside?
Yes, you can buy popcorn and drinks at the counter.
Nice. I'll get some popcorn too.
Sure. What size? Small or large?
Large, please.
Here you go. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too. Bye. Wow, this place is huge. Yes, and it looks so modern. I love the lights and music. There are so many shops here. Where do you want to go first? Let's start with the clothing store. I need a new jacket for work. Sure, let's go. Oh, look, this one looks really stylish. Try it on. Okay, give me a second. What do you think? It looks great on you. The color really suits you. Really? I like it too, but I'm not sure about the size. Maybe try a smaller one? Good idea. How about now? Perfect. It fits just right. Nice. Let's check the price. Oh, it's on sale. Only $35. That's a good deal. I'll take it. Great choice. Do you need anything else? Yes, maybe some shoes. Mine are getting old. Okay, the shoe store's over there. Let's take a look. Wow, look at these sneakers. They're cute. Yeah, I like the white ones. How much are they? They're $50. Not cheap, but they look comfortable. True. Try them on and see. Okay. Oh, wow. They fit perfectly. They look great. You should buy them. All right, I'll get them. Awesome. You've got new shoes and a jacket. Yes, I'm happy with my shopping today. Me too. After this, let's grab some coffee and relax. Good idea. I know a nice cafe upstairs. Perfect. Shopping and coffee, the best combo ever. I couldn't agree more.
Hello.
Hi, I'd like to buy some fruits and vegetables.
Sure. What do you need first?
I want some apples.
Okay. These apples are very fresh and sweet.
How much are they?
They're $2.50 per pound.
Great, I'll take 2 pounds, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I need some potatoes.
All right. They're $1.80 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 3 pounds.
Got it. Do you need any vegetables?
Yes, do you have broccoli?
Yes, it's right here. Very fresh today.
How much is it?
$2 per pound.
I'll take 1 pound.
Would you like some carrots too?
Sure, how much are they?
$1.50 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 2 pounds.
What else do you have? We also have lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes.
I already have lettuce at home, but I'll take a few tomatoes.
Red or green?
Red, please.
All right, $3 per pound.
1 pound, please.
Okay, let's see. Apples, $5, potatoes, $5.40, broccoli, $2, carrots, $3, and tomatoes, $3. That's $18.40 in total.
Here's a $20 bill.
Thank you. Here's a $1.60 change.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Goodbye. Hey, thanks for coming over.
No problem. What are we cooking today?
Let's make some pasta for lunch.
Sounds good. Do you have all the ingredients?
Yes, I bought everything this morning. Pasta, tomatoes, onions, and cheese.
Perfect. What should I do first?
Can you cut the onions and tomatoes, please?
Sure. Do you want small pieces or big ones?
Small pieces, please.
Okay. And what about the pasta?
I'll boil it. The water's almost ready.
Do you add salt to the water?
Yes, just a little. It makes the pasta taste better.
Nice tip. How long should I cook the sauce?
About 10 minutes. Stir it slowly so it doesn't burn.
Got it. Oh, it smells so good already.
That's the garlic. I love that smell.
Me too. Do you cook often?
Yes, a few times a week. It's relaxing.
That's great. I usually order food, but cooking is fun with a friend.
Exactly. Food tastes better when we make it together.
The pasta looks ready. Shall I drain it?
Yes, please. Be careful, it's hot.
All done. Let's mix it with the sauce.
Wow, it looks delicious. Try a bite.
It's amazing.
See, we make a good team.
Yes, chef. Next time, let's bake something sweet.
Deal. Maybe apple pie.
Perfect idea.
Hi there. Mind if I sit here?
Oh, not at all. Please sit.
Thanks. It's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, the sun is strong, but at least there's a nice breeze.
True. Do you come here often?
Sometimes, I like this park. It's quiet and green.
Same here. I come to relax after work.
That's nice. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. How about you?
I work as a teacher. I teach English to kids.
Wow, that sounds fun. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love spending time with children. They're so curious and funny.
That's great. So, what do you do in your free time?
I like reading and taking photos. How about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and cooking.
Oh, really? What kind of music do you play?
Mostly pop and soft rock.
Cool. I like that too. Do you like sports?
A little. I go jogging sometimes, but I'm too lazy in the morning.
Same here. I always say I'll wake up early, but never do.
That's so true. Maybe we can jog together one day. It'll help us wake up.
Good idea. By the way, what's your name?
I'm Nina. And you?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Well, I have to go now, but it was nice talking with you.
Same here. See you again soon.
Sure, maybe next weekend.
Sounds perfect. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Hey, excuse me, are you Anna?
Oh, hi, David. Right. Long time no see.
Yes, wow, it's been years. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good, just finished my morning run.
Nice. You look healthy and happy.
Thanks. How was your day so far?
Really good. I had breakfast at the cafe nearby.
Oh, I love that place. What did you have?
Just some toast and coffee.
What about you?
I only had coffee. I woke up late.
Still the same old David.
Yeah, nothing much has changed. How's work these days?
Busy, but I like it. I'm teaching English now.
That's great. You always love the languages.
Yeah, what do you do now?
I'm working as a designer at a small studio.
Wow, that sounds fun.
It is. The team is nice and we make cool projects.
Are you still living in the same area?
Yes, not far from here.
Cool, maybe we can meet again for coffee sometime.
Sure, let's do that next weekend.
Perfect. It was really nice seeing you again.
Me too. Have a great day.
Bye, take care.
This coffee shop is so nice.
Yeah, I come here a lot.
So, how was your trip to Japan?
It was amazing. Japan is such a beautiful country.
Really? Where did you go?
I visited Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.
Wow, that sounds great. What did you do there?
I went sightseeing, took pictures, and tried so much food.
What food did you like most?
Ramen and sushi, they were delicious.
I love sushi too. Was it expensive?
Not really. Street food in Japan is cheap and tasty.
Nice. Did you meet any local people?
Yes, everyone was very polite and helpful.
That's good to hear. Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yeah, I bought green tea and some small gifts for friends.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. Oh, that's so thoughtful.
For 10 days, I didn't want to leave.
I can imagine. Which city was your favorite?
Kyoto, for sure. It's peaceful and full of history.
I want to visit Japan someday too.
You should. I can help you plan the trip.
Deal. Let's go together next year.